Welcome to a short introduction to Red Sea's seawater refractometer, the most accurate way, outside of the laboratory, to measure the salinity of our water. At Red Sea, we have an in-depth knowledge of making and testing seawater, as we are doing it all day, every day, as part of the quality control process in the production of our Red Sea and Coral Pro salts. And it is exactly this knowledge and experience that has enabled us to develop a truly reef-spec refractometer for measuring the absolute salinity in marine and reef aquariums without the need for any compensation factors to be added to the refractometer reading. Refractometers are precision optical instruments that measure the refraction of light through liquids. The scale that is seen on the screen of a refractometer is calculated by using a mathematical algorithm that translates the refraction of the light to whatever the refractometer is designed to test. In our case, salinity. Salt and salinity are very general terms and can be misleading. For example, table salt, bath salts, also called Epsom salts, and sea salt mixes as used in our hobby are all called salt. Solutions made from the three salts I just mentioned, with the same weight of salt per litre of water, will all have the same salinity, but will have a different refractive index due to their different chemistry. Therefore, using a standard brine refractometer, which is calibrated for table salt, to measure the salinity of seawater will give an error of approximately 1.5 ppt unless a compensation factor is added to the reading. Absolute salinity, therefore, is only obtainable from a refractometer that has been made using an algorithm for a specific type of salt solution such as seawater. Red Sea's seawater refractometer uses such an algorithm, and therefore it will always give you the absolute salinity of your seawater, ensuring that your aquarium is maintained at exact salinity that you want it to be at. Now let's compare Red Sea's seawater refractometer with a regular brine refractometer. So we're going to put on a water sample and have a look through the lens and see the difference. Let's look through Red Sea, and you'll see a reading of 35 ppt. And now let's look at the regular brine refractometer, and you'll see a reading of approximately 36.5 ppt. The refractive index of a liquid changes with temperature. The algorithm I mentioned before, therefore, is only correct at the calibration temperature, which in our case has been set at 25 degrees centigrade or 77 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the normal temperature range for reef aquariums. Most refractometers, including Red Sea's, have ATC, or automatic temperature compensation. However, the ATC only compensates for a discrepancy of a few degrees between the ambient temperature and the calibration temperature of the refractometer. One last but important benefit of our refractometer is the clarity of the optics that gives a sharp line for easy reading of the salinity. Look at the view again through the refractometers, but this time focus on the sharpness of the line dividing between the blue and white parts of the screen. To summarize what I have said, Red Sea's refractometer offers exceptional accuracy using a specific algorithm designed for measuring seawater at a temperature of 25 degrees C with an easy-to-read display. The salinity readings are absolute for reef aquariums without the need for any compensation factors. Red Sea's seawater refractometer is therefore a user-friendly and essential tool for maintaining the correct salinity in your aquarium, which is a big step in guaranteeing its overall health and vitality. Thank you for giving us your time to watch this video presentation. For more information about this or any of Red Sea's products, please look at our website at www.redseafish.com.